Number 1. 1998 Dodge Ram 1500, price $5,500, powered by a 5.2L Magnum V8 producing 230 horsepower and 300 ft-lb of torque, paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission. With 303,000 miles, the engine still runs strong, supported by consistent maintenance including 101 oil changes and upgrades such as an MSD ignition system and KN air intake, contributing to improved highway fuel economy of up to 21 miles per gallon. The truck features a solid towing capacity of 7,700 pounds, anti-spin differential, short 6.5-foot bed with roll lock cover, cold AC, upgraded alternator, new fuel system components. It also includes useful equipment like a Kenwood stereo, sliding rear window, forged aluminum wheels, and a full towing package, along with many bonus parts and maintenance items. Known issues include a transmission that does not shift into second gear, minor electrical and interior wear, a faulty fog light, and small corrosion in the bed. Number 2. 1998 Chevrolet S10, price $5,000, is a well-maintained 2WD pickup equipped with a 4-cylinder gasoline engine and automatic transmission. It has been driven 124,000 miles and remains in excellent running condition, ready for immediate use. The truck features a red exterior paired with a clean gray interior that has been carefully kept. Regular oil changes have been performed, and a new battery was installed recently, contributing to its reliable performance. The frame is solid with no rust holes, although there are minor cosmetic imperfections, including a few spots of bubbling paint around the top of the rear fenders and the lower rear section of the front passenger side fender. Number 3. 2000 GMC 1500, price $8,995. It has been driven 237,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, paired with a reliable 5.3L gasoline engine and a 2-wheel drive system. The truck features a black exterior combined with a gray interior. It comes with new tires and rims, providing improved traction and a refreshed look, along with fresh window tint that adds comfort and privacy. A custom exhaust system has also been installed, giving the truck a more distinctive sound and character. As part of its key features, this vehicle includes working air conditioning and heating systems, power windows for convenience, and a standard cab short bed configuration. The truck runs and drives great, showing that it has been kept in good working condition despite its mileage. While the interior could benefit from a thorough cleaning, it remains functional and usable. Number 4. 2000 GMC Sierra 1500, price $3,600, powered by a 5.3L V8 engine and automatic transmission, with 197,000 miles. Finished in white with a gray interior, it runs on gasoline. The truck's strong-running 5.3L V8 is the main highlight, delivering solid performance and a classic sound. It features original working stereo, custom wheels with Toyo Open Country A/T tires, and a permanently fixed multi-level hitch that functions as part of the frame. The transmission shows early wear with slightly rough shifting, the shifter cable has some play, and the tow/haul button is not working. The parking brake and horn are also inoperable, while the power windows are slow. There is a minor oil leak typical of older trucks. On the positive side, the truck has received many recent maintenance updates, including new mirrors, headlights, battery, refreshed throttle body with smooth idle, ECM reset, and a largely overhauled AC system. Number 5. 1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,500, presented with a blue exterior and a gray interior, showing 124,000 miles on the odometer and paired with an automatic transmission. It is powered by a 5.7L engine and equipped with a 4x4 drivetrain. The vehicle also comes with a radio, adding to its overall practicality and usability. Despite its project status, the truck still runs and drives well, indicating that it maintains a solid mechanical foundation. Both the heater and air conditioning system are functioning properly, contributing to comfort during use, and the vehicle comes with a clean title, which adds to its appeal. However, it does require some attention in several areas. The door mechanisms need to be rebuilt, the engine idles a bit rough when the vehicle is in gear, and the exterior paint condition shows visible wear and could benefit from refinishing. Number 6. 1996 Dodge Ram 1500, price $9,000, having been driven 234,000 miles over its lifetime. While the mileage is high, it serves as a true testament to the exceptional care the previous owner provided to keep it on the road for so many years. This reliable pickup still fires right up and runs well, though it would likely benefit from a fresh oil change to maintain its performance. The truck features a classic blue exterior paired with a gray interior and is equipped with an automatic transmission that ensures a smooth driving experience. In terms of its physical condition, the grille is currently broken, and one side's headlight bracket requires attention. Additionally, the front bumper is slightly bent upwards, reflecting its history of use. Number 7. 1971 Ford F250, price $9,995, is a well-maintained classic pickup with 69,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission paired with a 360 V8 gasoline engine, delivering a smooth and reliable driving experience. Finished in green with a blue interior, the truck reflects its Ranger XLT trim through its deluxe interior and exterior detailing. As a 2WD model equipped with power brakes, it runs and drives very well, making it a comfortable and enjoyable classic to use. Originally from Washington State, the truck remains solid overall, with only minor rust spots while the frame is still in strong condition. Its combination of low mileage, dependable performance, and classic styling makes it a particularly appealing vintage vehicle. Number 8. 1988 Dodge D150, price $5,000, with 123,000 miles on the odometer. It is powered by a 5.9L, 360 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, delivering solid and dependable performance suitable for daily driving or light-duty work. The truck features a striking orange exterior complemented by a matching orange interior, giving it a bold and distinctive vintage character that stands out. It starts up reliably and drives smoothly, reflecting consistent usability despite its age. Additionally, it is fitted with brand new tires, enhancing both safety and overall value, and making it ready for immediate use without extra investment. It does have some typical rust on the cab corners and rocker panels, along with a minor power steering fluid leak. However, these issues do not significantly affect its drivability, and overall, the truck remains a functional, reliable, and appealing option for those seeking a classic pickup with character and solid mechanical performance. Number 9. 1996 Dodge Ram 3500, price $5,339. It has covered 137,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission, offering a more connected and reliable driving experience. It features a clean white exterior complemented by a gray interior, and it runs on diesel fuel, making it suitable for long-distance use and heavy-duty applications. Under the hood, it is powered by an 8.0L V10 engine that produces approximately 310 horsepower and 450 lb-ft of torque, delivering the kind of power needed for serious towing and hauling tasks. Built on the robust 3500 platform, this truck is designed to handle substantial payloads and tough workloads with confidence. The 5-speed manual transmission adds to its reputation for durability and control, especially under load. Its long bed configuration provides generous space for tools, equipment, or cargo, making it ideal for both work and utility purposes. Number 10. 1994 Chevrolet Silverado, price $4,000, as a well-maintained, single-owner vehicle with 176,000 miles, reflecting consistent use and care over the years. It runs and drives smoothly without any known issues, demonstrating dependable performance and mechanical reliability. All components and features within the truck are reported to function properly, indicating that it has been kept in solid working condition. This Silverado is also ready for a fresh paint job, making it an ideal candidate for a body shop restoration that can significantly enhance its exterior appearance. Its key features include strong and reliable engine performance, smooth drivability for everyday use, fully operational systems throughout the vehicle, and the added value of a single-owner history, which often suggests better maintenance and care. Altogether, these qualities contribute to making this truck a practical and appealing option for those seeking a dependable classic pickup with potential for cosmetic improvement.